हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे. So we will try to understand about this Narsimha Kavacha Stotram. So this Narsimha Kavacha Stotram is recited by Prahalad Maharaja. It comes under Brahmanda Purana. So, so this is described by Prahalad Maharaja in the Brahmanda Purana. So this Narsimha Kavacha Stotram. So it consists of around 31 slokas. So it was formerly spoken by Prahalad Maharaja. It is considered to be very pious, and it is considered to be that it vanquishes all kinds of impediments and provides one all protection. So this Narsimha Kavacha bestows upon one all auspicious, all opulences, and one can give one elevation to the heavenly planets or liberation. So this Narsimha Kavacha mantra is so much powerful. It is a very pious thing, and it is vanquishes all kinds of obstacles in our life, and it gives protection also. So Lord Narsimha gives protection, and Lord Narsimha removes all impediments in the progress of our bhakti. So Lord Narsimha is protecting us. So he removes all the obstacles in our bhakti, and he gives protection. And so this mantra can also give us our opulences, and it also can elevate us to heavenly planets, or even it can give us liberation. So this Narsimha Kavacha mantra is very powerful, that it can give us all opulences. It can even elevate us to the heavenly planets, or even it can give mukti also, liberation also. So while reciting the Narsimha Kavacha mantra, one has to meditate on Lord Narsimha, who is the Lord of this universe, who is seated on a golden throne. So Lord Narsimha's mouth is wide open. He has three eyes, and he is as radiant as the autumn moon. So Lord Narsimha is considered to be having three eyes. So this is quite new thing. So Narsimha has three eyes, and is as radiant as the autumn moon. So it's very cool. It's considered to be like moon, autumn moon. So it means very cool. Shanta Narsimha. So he's embracing Lord Narsimha is embracing Mother Lakshmi Devi on his left side. Eternal consort of Lord Narsimha Dev, goddess of fortune, is embracing on his left side, and his form is the shelter of all opulences, both material and spiritual. So Lord Narsimha's form is considered to be shelter for all opulences in the material as well as spiritual world. So Lord Narsimha has four arms, and his limbs are very soft. He is decorated with golden earrings. His chest is resplendent like lotus flower, and his arms are decorated with jewel-filled ornaments. Lord Narsimha is dressed in a spotless yellow garment, which exactly resembles malt and gold. He is the original cause of existence beyond the mundane sphere. For the great demigods headed by Indra, he appears bedecked with rubies which are blazingly effulgent. That his 2 feet, his Lord Narsimha's 2 feet are very attractive, and he is armed with various weapons such as the conch, disc, etc. Uh, so Garuda joyfully offers prayers with great reverence. So Lord Narsimha seated. So how to recite this Narsimha Kavacha is been told by Prahalad. Having seated Lord Narsimha Deva upon the lotus of one's heart, we have to place Lord Narsimha Deva in our heart, and one should recite the following Narsimha Kavacha mantra. May Lord Narsimha, who protects all the planetary systems, protect my head. So Lord Narsimha Deva is protecting all the planetary systems. So in the past, Lord Narsimha Deva protected Prahalad Maharaja from the hands of Hiranyakashipu. Actually, Hiranyakashipu has conquered all the planetary system. So Lord Narsimha Deva protected all the planetary system from the Hiranyakashipu. So previously Hiranyaksha, he put Earth planetary system into nether region, into subterranean, into Patala or into Garbhodaka ocean. He has put his elder brother, sorry, his younger brother, Hiranyaksha. So Hiranyakashipu, he conquered all the planetary system. So, so, so Lord Nrsimha, by killing the Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, by Lord Nrsimha killing Hiranyakashipu, so he protected all the planetary system. And so may he protect my heart. This is the first sloka. So Lord Nrsimha is all pervading. So is everywhere. His consciousness is everywhere. He hid himself within a pillar. So may he protect my speech and the results of my activities. So may Lord Nrsimha, whose eyes are the sun and fire, protect my eyes. So Lord Nrsimha, he will protect our speech, and Lord Nrsimha also protect results of our activities. Suppose you work hard and you don't get the result, that result is protected by Lord Nrsimha Deva. And Lord Nrsimha also protects our speech. Suppose you speak something, and so that it may hurt somebody, it may create some misunderstanding. So that also Lord Nrsimha is protecting us. And Lord Nrsimha is also protecting our results of our activity. So where we work hard and result is not coming, that result is protected by Lord Nrsimha Deva. So Lord Nrsimha is whose eyes, Lord Nrsimha's eyes are like sun. So Lord Nrsimha's eyes, it is considered to be like sun, and as well as it is considered to be like fire. So Prahlad Maharaj is praying to Lord Nrsimha Deva to protect our eyes as well as we protect our eyes. This is like sun and fire. And then we have may Lord Nara Hari. So Lord Nrsimha Deva came in the form of half man, half lion. So his head is like lion, whereas the body is like human being. So that's why he is called Nara Hari, Nara and Hari. Who is pleased by the prayers offered by the best of sages. So Lord Nrsimha Deva will be happy if the sages offer him nice prayers. Protect my memory. So Lord Nrsimha Deva, we are praying to Lord, Prahlada is praying to Lord Nrsimha Deva to protect memory. So nowadays we are having forgetful of our memory is very reduced because we have a short life. We have our everything is short memory. We are having so many mechanical arrangements for protecting or preserving our memory. We have so many computing things that come, so many memory cards, so many things that come to preserve our thing. So may he protect our memory. So may he who has the nose of a lion protect my nose. So Lord Nrsimha Deva's nose is like a lion. So Prahlada is saying that Lord Nrsimha Deva protects our nose also. May he whose face is very dear to the goddess of fortune protect my mouth. So Lord Prahlad Maharaj is praying to Nrsimha Deva to protect our mouth. So Lord Nrsimha Deva's face is very dear to Mother Lakshmi, goddess of fortune. So may Lord Nrsimha Deva, who is a knower of all of the sciences, protect my sense of taste. So Lord Nrsimha knows all sciences. He is a knower of all sciences. Very nice, interesting sloka. So Lord Nrsimha Deva is a knower of all sciences. There are so many sciences are there. So Lord Nrsimha is a knower of all sciences. And may he protect my sense of taste. So sense of taste. So while eating, there is a taste. Sense of taste is there. So the Lord, Prahlada is saying that he protect our sense of taste also. May he whose face is beautiful as the full moon and who is offered prayers by Prahlad Maharaj protect my face. So Lord Nrsimha's face is considered to be beautiful as like a full moon, and he is offered prayer by Prahlad Maharaj. So Prahlad Maharaj is praying that may Lord Nrsimha Deva protect our face. May Lord Nrsimha Deva protect my throat. He is a sustainer of the earth and the performer of unlimitedly wonderful activities. May he protect my shoulders. His arms are resplendent with the transcendental weapons. May he protect my shoulders. So Lord Narasimha, so Prahlad Maharaj is saying that may Lord Narasimha protect our throat. So nowadays there is throat infection, that is coronavirus, so spreading all over the world. So Prahlad is saying that may he protect our throat. So he is the sustainer of the earth and the performer of unlimitedly wonderful activities. So Lord Narasimha performs wonderful activities. So may he protect my shoulders. So our shoulders. So in order to perform wonderful activities, we should have our hands also. So Lord Narasimha is protecting. So Lord Narasimha performs wonderful activities. So may Lord Narasimha protect our hands, our shoulders. This is what the prayer. My shoulders. His arms are resplendent with transcendental weapons. Lord Narasimha's hand is having weapons, transcendental weapons. May he protect my shoulders. May the Lord, who bestows benedictions upon the demigods, protect my hands. So here, Prahlad Maharaj is praying to Lord Narasimha Deva. So his demigods, Narasimha Deva offers benedictions to demigods. So may Lord Narasimha Deva protect my hands. So this is what Prahlad Maharaj is saying. May he protect me from all sides. So Prahlad Maharaj is also praying that may Narasimha Deva protect us from all sides. May he who is achieved by the perfect yogis protect my heart, and may Lord Hari protect my dwelling place. So Lord Narasimha Deva, to achieve Lord Narasimha Deva is not easy. Only by a perfect yogis can reach, protect my heart. Only by bhakti one can reach Narasimha Deva. So bhakti yogis. Protect my heart. May Lord Narasimha Deva protect my heart. So, and then Prahlad Maharaj is saying, and may Lord Hari protect my dwelling place. So he is also praying that Lord Narasimha protect dwelling place. So may he who ripped apart the chest and abdomen of the great demon Hiranyaksha protect my waist. So here he is telling about his father as a great demon. So he is actually a father of all the living entities, Lord Narasimha Deva, Lord Krishna. But here he is a material father. Hiranyaksha was a material father. But since he disobeyed, since he opposed, he became opposite to Lord Narasimha Deva, who is the father of all the living entities. Hiranyaksha is vanquished. So here he is rejected. He is rejected. Actually, Hiranyaksha is a father, but because he became against Lord Vishnu, he is rejected now. Like this is like if a guru, father is also like a guru. If he is against Lord Vishnu, we can reject, because Vishnu is the original father of all the living entities. Only in material world we change for father, mother, because this body we change our relatives, everybody we change. But Lord Vishnu is always the father of all the living entities. So anybody who becomes inimical to Lord Vishnu, we should reject him. He could be father, he could be mother, or he could be our brother or parents, or friends. Anybody they are against Lord Vishnu, we should reject them. So here Hiranyaksha is killed by Lord Narasimha Deva. So Lord Narasimha Deva ripped apart the chest and abdomen of great demon Hiranyaksha. So Lord Narasimha Deva teared apart chest of ripped apart chest of Hiranyaksha, as well as the Hiranyaksha's abdomen is been ripped apart. So may Lord Narasimha Deva protect my waist. This is what the prayer. So may Lord Narasimha Deva protect my waist, as well as may Lord Narasimha Deva protect my navel. He is offered prayers by Lord Brahma, who has sprung from his own navel. So Lord Brahma appeared from the navel of Lord Vishnu. So he is considered to be Padmanabha. He is also considered to be. Swayambhu. Brahma is considered to be Swayambhu. Lord Vishnu is considered to be Padmanabha. The navel is like lotus. So next is, may he protect my navel is what it says. Next sloka is, may he who on whose hips rest all the universes protect my hips. And it is said that all the universes are resting on the hip of Lord Nrsimhadeva. May the Lord protect my private parts. He is the knower of all mantras and all mysteries, but he himself is not visible. So we see some children are being kept at the hip. Women, no, women they carry children at the hip. So like that, Lord Nrsimhadeva is protecting us. So may